Hi, I hope you can see the video. So I just got from the mail. I took Marty for a walk, but before I took him for a walk, this came in the mail. So I got my Louise. I don't even know what I ordered, but I did order this. And it's going to be Embrace the Change. The outcome is beautiful. Once you open me, I'm officially yours. No returns, refunds, or exchanges. Here we are. Okay, so you can see here, of course I got brushes. Don't tell my man. But here's what I got. Okay, so sweet. I got this here, this. I'm going to open them all. And I got a cute little bag. All right. Can always give this to my niece. It says it's the BITCH starter pack. So that's what all of this is. I got the brushes because I wanted one brush in particular. I'll show you the one that I really wanted. And like I said, I buy matching brushes, so all my brushes do match. I have all the Louise brushes here. All of them are pink. This is the one that I wanted the most, a flat, natural haired buffer brush, so that I could like do this area. A really small detailed one. So this is my favorite brush out of the whole collection. I'll quickly undo them all and put them away. So I got an angle brush. I got a nice big pointed tapered brush, which my favorite brush is this one from Louise. It's a giant big one, but it's not tapered like this one is. So I got another big brush, another face brush, more tapered, more dense though. I would use this more for like a concealer. I think I got, oh, this one's really nice. It's super fine. Like you can see how much the bristles move. It's super soft. Oh, I already know that one's gonna be a really nice one to like dust off any excess powder. I got a little smaller one there. This one here is really nice. Oh yeah, these are going to be so awesome. This one here I'm going to have to spritz because it's a little off. I'm just going to use some Fix Plus on the back of my hand. And hopefully this will get the brush back to where it's supposed to be. Oh, it's got one hair out of place. All right, there we go. And the rest of them are eye brushes, so I'm just going to quickly try my best to do them all. Get all these packages off. Eye brushes are my favorite makeup eyeshadow and eye brushes are my favorite product to use, so I always use a lot of eyeshadow. And the brush set that I did get from Louise had a lot of eye things, but I used them once and then I'm done using them, so I needed more. And then they had like a lot more intricate working eyeshadow brushes like this one. It's kind of like a fluffy but shaped at the corner. Oh, this one here is a little bit bent out of shape. It's okay. Once you wash them, they'll be okay. So there's all the brushes that I got. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So now I have my full collection. I have like a bunch of brushes. They're both full, so I don't have to worry about buying new ones. And you do need to keep these because these will help shape your brushes when you're done, or when you're washing them and they're wet and you need to reshape them. Those are good for those. And those came with 4 brush shapers. So I got a palette because last time I got the 2 palettes, but this time it only came with 1. And I've been really liking their shadows. And I've also gotten rid of a lot of expired makeup recently. So I got rid of palettes that I've had for like 5+ years. I finally got rid of them. And you can see on my TikTok where I think it's on my TikTok or something, where I destroyed all my makeup that was no longer good to use. And it was actually kind of therapeutic doing that because it's like, oh, I don't want to get rid of all this stuff. But at the end of the day, I have to. It's not really good or in good working condition because I've used it. So I got myself a nice eyeshadow palette from Plouise, kind of a neutral one so that I can use this every single day, and that I promise to hit pan on this. That's one of my goals, is to hit pan on these shadows by the end of the year. I do have other eyeshadows, but they're put away, and this is the one that I want to work on. So this is called Beneath the Sheets, and it's all neutrals and with the one light gray eyeshadow, which I really like because I want to try and switch up the light color I use in the inner corners. I use the same kind, so it'd be nice to switch it up a little bit. I got Foaming Over You. Babe, you are my absolute feeling, or you are my favorite feeling. Shaving foam? Wait, what? Shaving foam? Shaving foam. Just confused. Like, why is there shaving foam? Shaving foam. Okay, it says Foaming Over You. Foaming, babe, you are my favorite feeling. Shaving foam. So this is actually like a shaving foam. Like, I don't get it. So do I shave with this? Like my legs? I don't really grow hair on my legs. I do on my arms though. It smells like strawberries, I think. Shake the bottle and pop Foaming Over You onto wet skin. Apply generously. Soak up the strawberry scent. Shave and rinse for your new favorite feeling. Okay, so I got a shaving foam. Thanks for the hint. I don't actually really do that, but I'm gonna use this and try it. And all the rage that's online on TikTok and everywhere else is pink liquid blush, or just pink blush. That's baby doll blush. This one's called Bon Bon Baby. I still have all the foam on my head. I'm gonna pop the top off, I think, because I want to see what it looks like without it all over the cap first. So I'm gonna squeeze. Oh, okay, there we go. And I'm going to put that back on there to try to keep it as clean as possible. And I'm going to use just a quick little brush here. So it's like a light blush. It's like a really light pink blush. Might be too light. Well, that's what I got. I'm very happy with the collection that I got, and I will be repurchasing more from Louise. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!